everyone. Welcome to episode 93 of Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and I'm here with my good friend, Ben. Ben, can you feel it? The air is getting warmer, the flowers are starting to show up. It's spring.
Oh, yeah, Lily. Spring is my favorite time of year. The sun shines more and everything feels new. Hello, listeners. If you're just starting to learn English, this episode is perfect for you. Today, we're talking about spring vocabulary for beginners. We'll keep it simple, fun, and easy to follow. Let's jump right in.
Great idea, Ben. Let's start with the basics. What do we see in spring? Flowers. The word is flowers. Flowers. Flowers are colorful plants that grow in gardens or parks. In spring, flowers bloom. Bloom means they open up and look beautiful, like, look at those red flowers blooming in the yard.
Yes, Lily. And when flowers bloom, we say the trees and plants are budding. Bud is a small, new part on a plant that will become a flower or leaf. The trees are budding now. It's exciting. What about the weather, Lily? Spring weather can be nice.
Oh, the weather. In spring, it's often warm, not too hot, not too cold. Warm means comfortable temperature. Today is warm, let's go outside. But sometimes it's rainy. Rain is water from the sky. It's rainy today, I need an umbrella. Umbrella is umbrella, that thing to stay dry.
Right. And after rain, we might see a rainbow. Rainbow is those colors in the sky: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Look, a rainbow after the rain. Kids love that. Spring also brings wind. Windy days when the air moves fast. It's windy, hold your hat.
Yes, and don't forget sunny. When the sun is out, it's sunny. What a sunny day, perfect for playing outside. Now, Ben, what animals do we see in spring?
Animals. Birds come back. Birds are those flying creatures with wings. In spring, they sing or make sounds. I hear birds singing in the morning. Also, butterflies, beautiful insects with colorful wings. See that butterfly on the flower? Butterflies flutter around.
Flutter means they move their wings quickly. Cute. And bees. Bees buzz and help flowers grow. Bees are busy in spring. Buzz is that sound they make, like bzz. What about baby animals, Ben?
Oh, spring is baby time. Lambs are baby sheep. Look at the cute lambs jumping. Or chicks, baby chickens. The chicks are hatching from eggs. Hatch means come out of the egg. So fun to watch.
Yes. Now let's talk about what people do in spring. Many people plant gardens. Plant means put seeds in the ground. I'm planting flowers today. Or gardening, that's taking care of plants.
Gardening is relaxing. Also, picnics. A picnic is eating outside on a blanket. Let's have a picnic in the park. Bring sandwiches and fruit. And cleaning. Spring cleaning means cleaning your house a lot. Time for spring cleaning.
Yes, not my favorite, but important. Allergies, too. Some people sneeze because of pollen. Pollen is yellow stuff from flowers. I have allergies in spring. Sneeze is achoo.
Poor you, but spring is mostly happy. Blossoms on trees, like cherry blossoms. Blossom means flowers on trees. The cherry blossoms are pink and pretty.
Beautiful. Let's practice some sentences. Repeat after me. Spring is here. Good. Flowers are blooming. Excellent. It's warm and sunny. You're doing great.
Yeah, listeners, say it out loud. Now more words. Puddles after rain. Puddles are small pools of water. Jump in the puddles. Fun for kids. Or umbrellas, we mentioned. Don't forget your umbrella.
And jackets. In spring, it's not too cold, but sometimes you need a light jacket. Wear a jacket if it's windy.
Good point. What about holidays? Easter in spring. Easter has eggs and bunnies. A bunny is a rabbit. The Easter bunny brings chocolate.
Yummy. Mother's Day, too, in some places. Give flowers to mom.
Nice. Let's think about nature. Grass grows green. The grass is green again. Or leaves on trees. New leaves are appearing.
Appear means show up, yes, and rivers might flow faster from melting snow. Melt means ice turns to water. The snow is melting.
In some places, yes. Spring is renewal. Renew means make new.
Perfect. Now, feelings in spring. People feel happy or energetic. Energetic means full of energy. I feel energetic in spring.
Me too. Or refreshed, like after a good sleep. The rain makes everything refreshed.
Let's do a quick quiz. What word means colorful plants? Flowers, good. What do birds do? Sing, yes. What's a picnic? Eating outside. Awesome.
You are all stars. More words. Seeds. Plant seeds to grow things. Buy some seeds for the garden.
And soil, that's dirt for planting. Put seeds in the soil.
Right. Watering plants. Use a can to water them. I'm watering the flowers.
Essential. Sunshine, that's light from the sun. Plants need sunshine.
They do. Now, festivals. Spring festivals like flower shows. Go to the spring festival.
Fun. Hiking, walking in nature. Let's go hiking in the woods.
Woods are trees together. Yes. Camping, too. Sleeping outside.
But for beginners, start small. Barbecue, cooking outside. Have a barbecue with friends.
Tasty. Words like blooming, budding, we said.
Repeat, the flowers are blooming. Say it.
Great practice. Insects come out, like ants or ladybugs. A ladybug is red with spots.
Cute bugs. Frogs croak in ponds. Croak is their sound.
Ribbit. Ponds are small lakes.
Yes, spring is full of life. Life means living things.
Absolutely. Let's wrap up with more. Thunderstorms sometimes. Thunder is loud noise. Storm is bad weather. Hear the thunder?
Scary but exciting. Lightning is the flash.
Bright. Now, gardens we talked about.
And parks, big green areas. Play in the park.
Perfect for spring.
Okay, Ben, I think we've covered a lot of spring words.
We have. Let's review quickly. We talked about flowers blooming, warm weather, rainy days, birds singing, butterflies, baby animals like lambs and chicks, planting gardens, picnics, spring cleaning, allergies, blossoms, puddles, umbrellas, jackets, Easter, green grass, new leaves, melting snow, feeling happy and energetic, seeds, soil, watering, sunshine, festivals, hiking, barbecue, insects, frogs, ponds, thunderstorms, lightning, and parks.
Wow, that's a bunch. Listeners, you did amazing today. Practice these words every day. Say them when you see spring things outside. Talk to a friend or repeat after us. You're getting better at English. So we learned lots of spring words, but now we want to make them alive. We'll use spring vocabulary in daily situations. Real English you can say tomorrow.
Exactly, Lily. No more just lists. Let's put the words into sentences you hear and say every day in spring. Ready, everyone? Repeat after us when you can. It helps so much.
Let's start with the morning. You open your eyes, look outside. What do you say?
Good morning. It's a beautiful spring day today. Or, the sun is shining. It feels so warm already.
Nice. I can hear birds singing outside. Very common. The birds are singing so loudly this morning.
If it's rainy, oh, it's raining. But spring rain is good. Rain helps the flowers grow.
After rain, look, there's a rainbow. Kids say, Mom, Dad, come see the rainbow.
And fun, let's jump in the puddles. My boots are perfect for puddles.
And when you leave home, it's warm, I don't need a heavy coat. But it's a bit windy, take a light jacket.
Daily weather chat. Friend asks, how's the weather? You answer, it's sunny and warm, perfect spring weather.
Or, it's windy today, hold your hat. Sometimes it's rainy, so I have my umbrella.
Walking in the street or park, the grass is so green now. New leaves are on all the trees.
Look at these flowers blooming everywhere. These yellow flowers smell so nice.
Specific ones, the tulips are beautiful this year. I love the pink cherry blossoms.
At home or with family, I want to do some gardening today. I'm planting seeds in the pots.
What are you planting? Flowers and some vegetables, tomatoes.
Don't forget to water the plants. The plants need sunshine and water.
In the park with friends, let's have a picnic. I brought sandwiches and apples.
The blanket is on the grass. Sit down. It's so nice to eat outside in spring.
After eating, who wants to play ball? Or just lie on the grass and watch clouds?
Animals around. Oh, a butterfly. It's so colorful. Butterflies fly from flower to flower.
Listen, bees are buzzing near the flowers. Be careful, don't touch the bees.
With children, look at those cute lambs. They're jumping in the field.
Or, the chicks are so tiny and yellow. Baby animals make spring special.
Feeling good? I feel so happy in spring. Spring makes me energetic.
The fresh air makes me feel refreshed. Longer days give me more energy.
Little problems? My eyes are itchy. I have spring allergies. Achoo!
Pollen is in the air. Take some medicine.
Weekend plans? Shall we go for a walk? The park is full of flowers now.
Let's go hiking in the woods. Or have a barbecue in the garden.
Grill some chicken. It tastes great outside.
Short dialogues. Practice time.
You start. Imagine we meet in the park.
Hi, Lily. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's warm and sunny, perfect for a picnic.
I agree. The flowers are blooming everywhere.
Look, butterflies too, so pretty.
Want some juice? I brought extra.
Yes, please. Spring makes everything better.
Another one. Phone call style.
Hi, Ben. Can you hear that?
The birds? Yes, they're singing a lot.
I'm outside looking at the rainbow. Come see.
On my way. Don't jump in puddles without me.
Haha, bring your umbrella just in case.
Good idea. Spring weather changes fast.
One more. At home with family.
Mom, can we go to the park?
Yes, but wear a jacket. It's windy.
Okay, I want to see the new leaves and bees.
And take photos of the blossoms.
Listeners, your turn now. Pause and make your own sentences. For example, say what the weather is like today. Tell about flowers or birds you see. Plan a spring activity. Picnic, gardening, walk.
Try to use 3 to 5 spring words every day. Say them out loud, in the mirror, to your friend, or even to your cat.
It really works. Your speaking will grow fast, like plants in spring. Yes, keep thinking in English. Thanks for listening to episode 93. See you next time.
Bye!